The next step in our building process is to get the cooling fan small subassembly sorted out. So many of you in the very first kits that were shipped out had a really nice sheet metal cooling fan mount, and unfortunately our sheet metal supplier did not have all the holes tapped that we asked for. They're no longer our sheet metal supplier, and we haven't had any more issues since. I bought a metric tap, but the steel turned out to be too hard for me to deal with, so instead I 3D printed a mount for the cooling fan. The first thing we can do is attach the cooling fan duct to the mount itself with 2 M3 screws. Next, we can position the cooling fan on the mount and use 2 M2 screws to join them together. Next, we will grab our extruder assembly and use the last 2 M3 screws to attach our cooling fan to the rest of the assembly. There you have it. On to the next step.